Replacing your patio doors is one of the most effective ways to elevate the comfort, appearance, and value of your home in Sumter. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to enhance your property's long-term appeal, upgrading your patio doors delivers benefits that go far beyond aesthetics. From improved energy efficiency to better home security, a modern patio door replacement can significantly boost your home's market value, while also making everyday living more enjoyable. Instant boost in curb appeal and style. First impressions matter, especially in competitive South Carolina housing markets like Sumter. Old or outdated patio doors can make an otherwise beautiful home appear worn or neglected. Replacing them with a modern sliding, French, or bifold style instantly refreshes both the interior and exterior appearance. New patio doors often feature sleek frames, larger glass panels, contemporary hardware, customizable colors and finishes. These upgrades help your home stand out to potential buyers, who often place high value on move-in ready homes with modern features. Even if you aren't selling soon, this enhanced look creates a more inviting and attractive living space for your family. Improved energy efficiency saves money. Energy efficiency is a major priority for Sumter homeowners due to hot summers and cool winters. Older patio doors often allow air leaks, causing your HVAC system to work harder and increasing monthly utility bills. A new patio door installation helps solve this problem. Modern patio doors include features such as double or triple pane insulated glass low-E coatings to reduce heat transfer, improved weather stripping, energy efficient frames. These upgrades keep indoor temperatures stable and reduce energy consumption. Potential buyers recognize these advantages and often look for homes with updated energy-saving features. This means patio door replacement can directly increase your home's value by lowering future ownership costs. Enhanced security. For peace of mind, security is another critical factor that influences a home's value. Older patio doors may have weak locks or deteriorated frames, making them vulnerable entry points. Newer patio doors are engineered with advanced security features that offer stronger protection. These may include multi-point locking systems, impact-resistant glass reinforced frames, updated tracks that prevent forced entry. Buyers appreciate homes that already include enhanced safety measures. Even if you plan to stay in your home, improved security gives your family greater peace of mind. Better natural light and indoor comfort. Natural light is one of the most desirable features in any home. Replacing your patio doors can dramatically increase the brightness of your living spaces, making rooms feel more open and inviting. Modern designs maximize glass coverage, allowing sunlight to flow freely while offering better temperature control. Brighter rooms create a higher-end feel, and buyers often associate light-filled spaces with newer, more luxurious homes. Better natural light also improves your daily living experience, something homeowners immediately notice. Greater functionality and low maintenance. A new patio door doesn't just look better, it works better. Many older doors stick, drag, or fail to open smoothly due to age or frame warping. New installations glide effortlessly and are designed for long-term durability. Homeowners in Sumter particularly benefit from weather-resistant materials, high-quality rollers and tracks, easy clean glass, low-maintenance frames. These functional improvements make everyday use simpler and more enjoyable. They also appeal to buyers who want reliable, low-maintenance home features. Increased overall home value. When you combine improved aesthetics, performance, energy savings, and security, it becomes clear why patio door replacement increases home value. Buyers want homes with modern upgrades, and patio doors are a major focal point. A high-quality replacement can offer a strong return on investment while transforming the way you enjoy your home.